How to find Coinbase wire transfer receipt details. If you want to find your wire transfer receipt details on Coinbase, open up the app first and make sure that you are logged into your account. And after here, you'll find the 9 dots icon or the menu icon at the top left corner. Just head over there. Now, once you are on the menu section, you'll find an option called deposits. So go ahead and tap on deposit. And once you get here, if you've done any previous deposits or previous transfers, the history will be shown right here. Just tap on any one of them, and this pop-up will open up here. Now you can just go ahead and choose the wire transfer option for a large amount, no limit. Just tap on wire transfer, and then from here you should be able to verify your account name to match your previous transactions. And then once you match it, you can just tap on it to view. So go ahead and tap on it and you can verify it with your account number as well. And that's basically how you can find your Coinbase wire transfers receive details. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.